what the hottest opportunity in 2023 is for the average person? You know, the average person looking to quit their job and go full-time online, or just pocket a passive 50, 100, even 500 bucks a day on the side? If not, I'll tell you. It's X. What's X? It's Elon Musk's newest investment, formerly known as Twitter. You know Elon, right? The owner of Tesla cars and SpaceX. One of the original founders of PayPal. In fact, if you don't know him, hear this: he's the richest man on the planet right now. And when he invests or creates something, you can bet your bottom dollar it's going to be amazing. Now we've discovered a loophole in his platform X, formerly Twitter, that allows us to get thousands of clicks and make $477 a day on average completely passively with AI. Even if we're using a brand new account with 0 followers. You don't need to be on camera at all. You don't need to create content. You don't need to write posts manually or do anything else difficult. And now with the power of our new AI social bot, you don't even need to lift a finger. You can be good to go in as little as 2 minutes flat. Introducing Luna. Here's how easy this is. Step 1. Click on any of the buttons on this page and create your account with Luna. It takes less than 10 seconds. Step 2. Activate. Activate your first campaign. Takes less than 60 seconds. And start getting buyer clicks within minutes that result in $477 a day for us without writing posts, without any followers, and without paying for ads. This is literally the best way we've seen to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $67 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $67 a month. You aren't even going to pay $47 a month. No, not even $37 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle, absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $250 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Luna, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to tap into this incredible, new AI-powered opportunity, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, Luna lets you exploit Elon Musk's trending platform X, so you can get thousands of clicks and pocket like us on average around $477 a day. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike on the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called X Luna from Billy there, and it's going live on the 24th of August 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this one, in a nutshell, is an application that exploits Elon Musk's platform X, which is formerly called Twitter, in 60 seconds for free buyer traffic, which is going to make you money every day. And this is beginner friendly, no tech skills, no writing posts, no followers, no ads. And of course, you can get a copy of this when it goes live today, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And my name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out some of the best products out there, software products that are going to help you make money online, and of course increase your skill level at least to a basic level that will make you actually get conversant with making money online. So today, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now, this is the sales page for Luna, and of course I am going to play you right after this sales page review. I'm going to give you access to the very demo video of this product in action, so that you see exactly how it works and how you can make the best use of it in order to drive traffic from Twitter that will make you daily commissions. Okay, so that's about what we'll have with this one. At any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page, and you'll find a link like this yellow one that will give you access to the amazing traffic instrument, which is called Luna, that is actually going live today. Okay, so I will go through the sales page in a very flashy way, so that we see exactly what Billy there is actually saying. That he said to buy Twitter that Elon Musk spent up to $545 billion, and now it has turned this very platform into something better than it used to be. And of course, you have more traffic there now, you have more members there, you have a lot of things to actually gain with this very traffic. It reminds me of the product TweetX, which is a Chrome extension that normally diverts traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. So it is structured in a similar way, but this one, I think it is easier to work with as long as I'm concerned, because you have nothing to install, you have nothing to do than to actually get through the system and the training and get access to making money online. So if you want to make money using Twitter traffic, this is exactly what you're going to need. And of course, this is where I'm going to have to let you at your convenience, when you arrive here, go through the sales page yourself, see the testimonials, and see all the information on all the things you can get from this very product, and some of the income that have been made using this very product. The prototype and the beta testers actually confirmed that they were making money with this. So I will leave the decision to purchase Luna to yourself, but for now I will also now go ahead to show you the very bonuses that I have for you, and of course right after that I'll give you access to the very bonuses that I have for you and the pricing for this very product. Now let us take a look at the pricing and see if that is going to be of any good use for us, and then we'll go from there. Okay, just hold on a second. I will give you access to the pricing of this product so that you see if this is going to be for you, but I'm sure you'll be able to see all the information concerning pricing right away. Now the front end goes for $17, which will give you access to the training area, the dashboard area, which whose access I don't have at this time because I demanded for it, but I couldn't get it before now. And here you have the upsell number 1, which is the unlimited, which goes for $47. You have upsell number 3 for $39. Upsell number 2 is here, $297, which is the done for you edition. And here you have the upsell number 4, which gives you access to I believe the very traffic engine that they have with this very product, which goes for $47. And here you have upsell number 5, which is the reseller. This goes for $47 as well. And when you are on the when you click that yellow link on the very sales page, it will give you definitely access to the very button you are going to actually require to get a copy of this for yourself. Let me see if we can locate any of those links so that you see how it looks, though I know you already know how it looks, but in any case I will go ahead to show you the very link that I'm talking about. This is the very link. When you click it, it will definitely give you access to look at the prices as I have listed them, and you go through the OTOs and the upgrades and see which ones are available. But the unlimited and the done for you may be the way to go. Okay, now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you so that you see exactly what you have here. I have 10 of them for you, and they are all mega bonuses. The first one is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets. The second one is the list building expert. Third one is internet marketing fast start. You have affiliate marketing secrets, 30 day to bigger email list ebook, chatbot marketing mastery, building the perfect sales funnel, and also blogging for profit and email list building blueprint, and of course copywriting crackdown. This one will help you create a perfect sales pitch to get long-term sales, and you have access to all of this. When you get access to this very page, you'll be able to see the links and click them and have access to the product itself directly. So it's an amazing one that you may be able to use, and this is exactly where I'm going to now show you the very demo video of this product in action. Right after that, I will call it goodbyes. Okay, so I will see you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here And from me, from here, is goodbye. Just check out the video that follows, and then we'll go from there. Bye for now.